guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh yeah, you're seeing right. It's a nice orange box with a blue ribbon. Oh yeah, and if you want to see what's in this box, stick around. Okay guys, I realized that was really dorky, okay? I'm a dork. But I am excited, and I am up here at 11 o'clock at night filming because I have to show you what came in this box. I'm so excited, and I know I've been telling you guys I'm not in a shopping mood, and I'm not. But this is something that I've talked about for a while, that I've been thinking about for quite a while. Now, it has been available on the website, but I definitely prefer to go through Becca, my Louis Vuitton SA. She's in the Houston Galleria, and I always leave her info below, you guys. So if you ever need anything, tell Becca that I sent you. I messaged her probably 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I told her what I wanted. She said she didn't have it available. I knew it was available online, but I'd much rather go through her because she always gives it a really good inspection. She always sends me videos. She's just the best. So anyway, you guys, I got it, and I'm excited, and yeah, I had to come up here. We've had company all evening, but I had to come up here at 11 o'clock at night just to show you what came in this box. All right, guys, I also have a second item. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at this beautiful bag. Let's go ahead and see what's in this bag. Ah, so excited. Now, I have to say, I love this bag. I think it's so cute. I'm probably going to frame it because I think it's quite unique, but I don't like this collection. I really don't. I mean, I could take my Neverfull and paint polka dots on it. Yeah, so it's just not the collection for me, but I do love the bag. So, and the tissue paper. So, this is what I have. So, I'm going to put this bag to the side and show you what I got. I couldn't resist because I haven't bought a fragrance from Louis Vuitton in a little while. I guess I did get some when I was in Houston with Autumn. Wow, Becca really hooked me up with some really nice samples. There's more in here. I love it when you send me samples, Becca. Thank you so much. She knows that I love to get samples. But let me show you what I got. And it's this. I got more of the Afterpay Revs because this is my all-time favorite Louis Vuitton perfume. Now, they do discontinue perfumes. I'm always scared they're going to discontinue this. Even though I have a big bottle and I have some samples, I just don't want to be without it, you guys. If I ever find out that they're going to discontinue this, I'm going to have to stock up. So anyway, I went ahead and had Becca send this to me. And I'm so glad that I did. But I mean, I just think the box and the packaging is so cute, even though I don't like the bag. Let me know in the comment below, what do you guys think about this collection with this Kusama collection? I just like old school Louis Vuitton. But yeah, I had her go ahead and send this to me, and I'm so excited that I did. I don't know if this is different from a regular, so let's just open it up and see if it is. Okay, the packaging. I just love the packaging. Oh, it's so cute. It'll be so cute sitting on my dresser, even though I don't love the bag. It makes no sense, you guys, but anyway, yes, it's another, but look at that bottle. Look at that. So cute. Oh, I'm so happy I got it. This is what I was wearing today. As a matter of fact, let's just have another little squirt. Oh my gosh, it is my all-time favorite. Now, I am going to tell you guys that I am going to do a perfume collection video for you guys. I've had several requests, so I am going to do that. I'm not the best at describing, but I can read off the notes and tell you how I feel about it. So that is coming up very soon. So anyway, yeah, I had to get it. All right. So she sent me about 5 samples. Spell on You, Atropé Revs. I know I'm not saying it right. More Atropé Revs. And it is, oh my goodness, I can't say it. L-E-M-M-E-N-S-I-T-E. Lemsite? I don't know. I don't even know if that's picking up. Anyway, I'm excited. I'm excited to try the new fragrance that she sent. Okay, guys, the moment that I have been waiting for. Ah, so exciting. All right, so what is in this box, you ask? Absolutely nothing, because you guys, look what I got. Okay, I already put a charm on it, but ignore the charm for now. I got the Louis Vuitton Odeon MM in the monogram and the black leather. How beautiful is this? I'm going to tell you what my reaction was right when I opened it up and how I feel about it now that I've carried it. I've carried it all day. I also put this Bad Girls Club. It's a Coach charm. I don't know if you guys like it on there, but I just think it's cute. Let me tell you what my first impressions of this bag was when I first opened it up. I knew without a shadow of a doubt that this was the combination that I wanted, because this combination I think is so luxe looking. Just the monogram and the black leather, and in my opinion, you just can't get better. You just can't get better than this combination, and I love classic monogram. Let's say it together. I've always said I love classic monogram. If I want a leather bag, I'm not saying I won't buy a leather bag from Louis Vuitton, but more than likely, the Louis Vuitton bags that get my attention are the classic looking ones. And this one, I really love it. Now, I've carried it, I've carried it for a day and a half now. When I first opened up the bag, it looks much better when filled. I have to admit that, because when it's not filled, it just kind of sinks in here in the middle. But I didn't think that was a problem at all, because I know that they're like that. And once I filled it, I thought it looked much better. I think that charm is so cute on there. The first thing I noticed when I opened up the bag is that it's definitely smaller than I was expecting. At first I was thinking, do I want the PM or do I want the MM? And this is the MM, but I considered the PM, and then I thought, I think that's too small, but I'm going to tell you, this is definitely smaller than I thought it was. And really, it's the perfect size. It's the perfect everyday bag. But I did think it was larger, because when Becca sent me a picture and she was wearing it, it looked larger. Maybe it's because I'm larger. But it's a really good size. I love the corners. I love the way it looks, the way it opens up here on the bottom. Of course, there are no feet, because this is a very casual bag. I really love this piece here, and I love the fact that you have a nice roomy pocket, and there's like a magnetic closure here. So it's pretty strong, but not too strong. But there is like a magnet right there. You can see the little circle area. If you just really look at it, where the magnet is. Now, my bag was made in, let me put my glasses on and see where this bag was made. My bag was made in France, and I'm going to tell you, this bag feels very thick. It feels very substantial. I noticed that right when I took it out of the box. I thought, wow, this really feels like it's thick and durable canvas. So that's the first thing that I noticed about it. And it also has a soft feel. A lot of times, well, some of the Louis Vuitton bags that I've had, they don't really have that really soft feel. Kind of like my Speedy, I felt like when I first got it, I don't know if crunchy is the word, but it just didn't feel this kind of soft and supple. And then I've used it the last year or so, and then the more I used it, it would get softer. This one feels soft. I don't know if it's just me or if it's true, but that's just my opinion. Now, I love the zipper pulls. There are 2 zippers at the top, and they're very substantial, really pretty, and I love the fact that you can open it both ways, and it kind of dips down in the middle. It has a nice big opening. I have a lot of stuff in there. I'm gonna do a what fits with this bag, but not tonight. I just wanted to show it to you guys, give you my first impressions, and I was just too excited, you guys. I just had to show you. But this is a really cute little Coach charm that Dawn had sent me, and I just thought it was cute. Oh, okay, so there is one thing that is not the best, in my opinion, on this bag. Now, it is a nice thick, maybe about 1 inch adjustable strap, but this strap, it's great, but it's not quite as long as I would love it to be, and it was already on the longest, or the last hole, and when I put it on, the bag still sits a little high on me, and it is, I will wear it crossbody. You can wear it shoulder. I could tighten it up and wear it as a shoulder bag. As a matter of fact, I mean, it's just like a hobo style bag. So yes, definitely I can wear it that way, but that's not really the way that I bought it with the intention of wearing it. So I'm gonna put it on and show you what I mean, because I like my crossbody bags to hang a little longer, but never fear. I can order a couple of gold, I don't know, what do they call them? Anyway, extenders to put here, and that Muato, I think, brand. It's a really good brand, and it's really good for Louis Vuitton, and it matches the gold hardware very nicely. So Dawn found the clips for me on Amazon, so I'm gonna order a couple of clips, and I guess I would probably just, should I get medium or large? I don't know. Maybe I'll just get both and see which works best. I would like to extend it just a bit, because I'm going to put it on and I'm going to show you, and I'm 5'3", and it's fine, but I would have loved it to been a little bit, I would have loved it to been a little bit longer on me. That is the only thing that the only con that I can find about it, and it may not be a con for you, but I just like my crossbody bags to hang lower, and like I said, if you're taller, then it's definitely going to be even shorter. So, see, it's on the longest strap, and it's fine. Honestly, it is fine, but I guess I would have liked it to be maybe this much lower, and that's just me. I'm probably, okay. See, I mean, it is fine, but a little shorter than I would have loved it to be, but it's fine. I mean, there's no problem. How many times am I going to say that? Anyway, it is a beautiful bag. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm falling more and more in love with it every time I look in the mirror and look at it, you guys. It's just so pretty. So pretty. I'm so happy that I got it. I've been telling you guys that I haven't really been shopping much, and I haven't. I mean, I had looked on the website and I saw that it was available, but I didn't order it. And when Becca messaged me, I thought, okay, I'm gonna get it, because I had already told her that I did want it. So I'm just thrilled to have it, and I have gotten rid of a few things lately, and this is a bag that I feel like will get a lot of use. I think this is a great bag for traveling. Not that I travel. We haven't been traveling, you guys, but we always say that. It's a great travel bag. But it really is, because I could take my Neverfull GM over my shoulder. I could wear this crossbody and have a suitcase and have everything that I need. And I just think that it goes with my vibe. It goes with, you know, it just goes with my style. It's definitely my style bag, and I just love it. And the more I look at it, the more I love it. I love this. I love this tag. You guys know I don't really have, I have one tag, I think. Yeah. So I don't really have things like that, so it's something totally different for me. But I just wanted to hop on here really quick and show you guys my new bag. so excited to have it. I absolutely love it. Do you guys think that the strap is at a good length for me? I mean, it's comfortable. What do you guys think? I just think if you were taller than me, like if you were 5'6", 5'7", it would fall too short. So if you love the bag and you want it to be longer, you can definitely order the extenders to put on the side. And I do plan to order them, and when I do, I will come back and I will show you guys. I'm excited about this and the packaging, even though I don't love the bags. I would if I ever got anything from this collection, I did like the twilly. I thought that's really pretty. I like the twilly, just a little hint of it, but I don't think I would do a bag in polka dots. I just don't think so. Okay guys, I'm just so excited because I love Louis Vuitton. I know I've told you guys that before. It's always been my first love. But anyway, you guys, I just wanted to hop on here just really quick and share with you my goodie that I wasn't really expecting to get. It's just kind of an unexpected surprise. And when Becca said, hey, do you want some cologne? I thought, sure. And because of the package. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm happy that tomorrow's Saturday. I hope you all have a great weekend. And don't forget to subscribe. What? I haven't had it. Anyway, you guys, don't forget to subscribe. I would love it if you guys would help me get to 6,000 subscribers. My channel lately has been kind of stagnant, and I've been doing some research. And you guys, I think that a lot of channels go through this kind of phase, so I'm not going to let it get me down, but I sure would love to see my channel grow somewhat, and I just would love to get to 6,000 subscribers. That would be wonderful. So don't forget to subscribe, and next week I have a couple of exciting videos for you. I am going to do a what fits. When I get the extenders in, I will try it on for you again. You guys just let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see. I'd be happy to share with you, and yeah, so that's it. I hope you have a great weekend. I'll see you guys in a couple of days. Peace.